Okay, I'm way too tall for this tripod. I'm going to squat. Actually, I'm gonna see if I can hold the squat like this the whole time. Anyway, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are having a good day. Here's another quarantine self-isolation activity for you to do. Clean out your closet. And while you're cleaning out your closet, or you have a sibling or a parent that's cleaned out their closet, you might find some clothes that you can easily repurpose into some new clothes, aka upcycling. So today's video is gonna be upcycling a pair of jeans, and I'm gonna use some other fabric from other old clothes too. So let's just get into the video. So obviously you need jeans. These are my dad's. Then you also need some old jeans or denim. I'm using these shorts from 8th grade in this canvas Tom's bag. You need embroidery floss, then also a needle and thread, scissors, and a heavy-duty piece of paper. I'm starting by cutting out patches from the fabric scraps. You can do this without much precision because I think it looks better when the patches aren't perfect squares. It looks more vintagey and unique. Then lay out the patches in the pattern you'd like onto the jeans. First, thread the needle by knotting the thread through the eye of the needle. Then go to the end of the thread and tie another knot, knotting it until it's about this size. Next is attaching the pieces of fabric to each other by doing what I think is called a whip stitch. You basically angle the needle through both of the fabric pieces and pull the thread until the knot stops it. Then you repeat this until the fabric is fully attached. When it is attached, tie a tight knot that touches the fabric and cut off the excess thread. Now it's time to sew on the patches. I placed this piece of cardstock inside the pant leg to prevent me from accidentally stitching the legs together. Make sure that the stitches are really tight and are close together. With this time lapse, I made it seem like it took me 30 seconds to sew this stuff on, but it actually did in fact take a long time. So the finishing touches. I'm going to use this embroidery floss and thread it through a needle. I'm going to sew some basic stitches through the jeans asymmetrically just to add a little bit of flair. Kind of hard to explain, you'll just see. Ta-da! It's so cold out here, it's literally snowing. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I hope this gave you another idea for something fun that you could do. Honestly, this took a lot of time hand stitching everything. So if you really want to kill some time right now, this probably took me like 12 hours, but oh well. Thanks so much for watching today's video. You're so cool. Comment down below something fun. Subscribe to my channel. Turn the notification bell on. Thumbs up. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you soon. Peace.